What is one challenging experience I have overcome in the past year?
One challenging experience I have overcome in the past year was learning how to manage my time effectively despite having many responsibilities. Personal qualities or strategies help you get through it.
Discipline, resilience, time management, and seeking guidance from mentors and peers. What did I learn about yourself during that time?
During that time, I learned that I more capable, resilient than thought. I doubt myself and felt like giving up, but I discovered that with discipline, proper planning, and determination, the current source of stress in your life.
Academic deadlines, financial concern, and uncertainty about future opportunities. What support or strategy might help you cope better?
To cope better in the future, I know that using strategies like proper time management, setting clear properties, and breaking tasks into smaller steps will help me stay organized and less stressed.